Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to steam fish with shrimp. First, you're going to make sure you clean your fish, wash your fish.
We previously washed it with
lime
and water and just rinse it out.
Alright, make sure you cut all the stuff out. This is a jack, so we're going to make some slits on the sides. What this is going to do, make the fish cook quicker and also uptake the seasoning. So this is a very big fish.
It's good for one family.
Yeah, it's huge. That was a good price. We got it for like $2.99 a pound. That's a good price. And now we're gonna spread some complete seasoning
In the grooves.
in the grooves.
There you go. Lightly, because fish takes
Big
seasoning.
season very quickly. You don't want to salt your fish.
All right, put it in the middle.
We'll put some inside.
All right, flip it over.
Flip it over. We'll put some on the other side.
Repeat the same thing.
Okay, now we're gonna add some. What's the name of that season now?
The green seasoning.
The green season, also known.
They call it Trinidad. Call it green seasoning. Haitians call it Epsi, but it's our own rendition of it.
All right, so now you're gonna rub some. Make sure you rub some inside the slits on the fish.
So basically, you're gonna massage the fish with the green seasoning.
And how do we make this green seasoning again?
All right, we make it with parsley, thyme, cilantro, culantro, and lemon, 1 lemon, shallots,
And
garlic,
2 cups of olive oil.
and 2 cups of olive oil, and we blend it in our Vitamix. Not a fruit, you could do it with a food processor as well.
Or Ninja, whatever you have.
And that's how it came out.
And we're gonna get some more, a little bit more.
And
this thing smells so good. I mean, like, I'm dying to try it on some crackers, like see would it work on some crackers by itself. All right,
and then we're gonna put some shrimp on there.
so yeah.
Our little twist.
Seasoning's good. You don't want to waste none of it. So it's like a rub, and you could also use this on chicken, beef, pork,
tofu,
eggs. So it's all around. It's a base pretty much. So that you can't really. There's nothing wrong you could do with it.
All right, so
Nothing wrong you can really do with it. All right, we're just trying to eat more fish because obviously, okay, well, here's the shrimp. We're gonna. These are colossal shrimp, easy peel.
From Walmart.
From Walmart, it's already deveined, so pretty much we're just gonna take the shell off.
And we already previously washed it off as well, which is cleaning off the shell part.
Okay, so just leave the tail on, just for the look. You'll see what I mean at the end.
All right. So there we go. And then we're gonna put it in our lightly mix that we have, the green seasoning. And we'll put the shrimp in there and mix it around. And put a little bit of complete on top.
Because this seasoning is good on itself, so you don't want to add too much. You know, they say, well, eating fish at least twice a week would dramatically improve your health. So, hey, anything to be healthy and stay longer.
And put the complete season on the shrimp.
Okay, can you sprinkle some on it, please? And thank you.
All right. Okay. There you go. And then we're gonna put some butter on top.
Put some butter. You can use any butter. Like to what, salt? Which butter are we using again?
We use unsalted butter.
Unsalted butter. We're looking for the what was that butter we like? The Kerrygold, if I'm not mistaken. That's what they call it, right?
What?
Is it Kerrygold? Am I saying the name right?
No.
What's the name of it?
I don't know.
It's the Irish butter.
Irish butter, that's what they call it.
No, the one that's in the green packet.
I don't know. If you want a cake. The gold? The green? I don't know.
Isn't it Kerrygold? No?
King gold or something.
Oh, okay.
Put the butter in the fish on top of the shrimp. 2 sticks will be fine. And then we put this inside the fish itself.
We're gonna put some inside the fish just to maximize the flavor.
All right. And then we put it on the foil paper.
We're gonna put the last one in the head of the fish.
And that's it.
But we gotta put a little bit of seasoning in the head of the fish. I don't think I put enough seasoning in there.
All right.
And the head is the best part of the fish, by the way.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and clean off the board. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how we would fold up the foil paper. All right, now we're gonna spray the paper
with some olive oil spray so it doesn't stick. All right, we're gonna rest it down.
Rest it down.
Since it's a big fish, it's gonna take a longer time
to cook. And you're gonna need a lot of aluminum paper, or if you're Jamaican, file paper. But let's get back on scheduled programming.
All right, so we're gonna fold it up like this. How I like to fold my fish. And then I'm gonna put another foil under it so you can hold it so it doesn't make the juices come out.
All right, get the other foil, please. All right. This thing is huge. This is a very big fish, like I said.
So I'm gonna put it in for like 30 to 40 minutes because it's very thick. It's a meaty fish, so.
And you'll make sure you properly make sure it's secure in the foil paper because you do not want to have fish juice leaking in your oven because believe me, your whole house will smell like fish. Yeah. And that's not very pleasant.
So then we're gonna fold this around it.
That's not very pleasant, believe me.
So then that's it. All right.
We're gonna want to show you guys how to properly fold the paper because. As I said, we don't want no mishap. We don't want no fish juice leaking in your oven, getting your house gonna smell like fish.
And that's why you wash it with lime, so it don't be too...
Yes, always wash your fish with lime. And you could always squeeze lime on it afterwards. Things so that way you won't get, what you call it.
Okay.
Alright.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven for 400, and I put it for 35 because I want to make sure it cook all the way. 400 from 35 to 40 minutes.
Alright guys, we had it in for
45 minutes.
And it took a little longer because the fish is big, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put it for how much longer?
Well, give me another 20 minutes because it's a very thick fish.
A thick fish, so it looks good, smells great. Here you go guys, we finally finished the fish. Look at it. Shrimp's cooked. Oh man, this smells great. And so this is just a little twist we did. So we steamed the fish with the green seasoning, and we add some colossal shrimp on top. And this is a jack fish, and it came out great. So it's a recipe you could definitely try at home. And like I said, adding fish to your diet at least once or twice a week is good for your health, and you will live longer. So as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and have a wonderful day.